Welcome back to Infinite Tunnel, your portal to the most astounding wonders of our universe. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the fringes of reality, visiting places where the fundamental laws of nature appear to have taken a vacation. Have you ever imagined a world where water flows uphill, or where you can lean at an impossible angle without falling? While it sounds like science fiction, there are spots on our very own planet where gravity seems to play by a different set of rules. From mysterious cabins in the woods to strange stretches of road, we're about to explore 10 incredible locations that defy our understanding of physics. We will delve into the strange phenomena that make these places so unique and uncover the scientific truths behind the illusions. Our first stop takes us to Santa Cruz, California, and the famous mystery spot. Since its discovery in 1939, this peculiar patch of redwood forest has baffled visitors. People appear to shrink or grow depending on where they stand, and balls seem to roll uphill on their own. Structures within the mystery spot, like a small wooden cabin, are tilted at a severe angle. Walking through it is a disorienting experience. You'll find yourself leaning dramatically just to stay upright, fighting a force that seems to pull you sideways. But is gravity truly distorted here? The prevailing scientific explanation points to a clever and powerful optical illusion. The tilted cabin and the uneven ground manipulate our sense of perspective. Our brains, lacking a true horizontal reference, misinterpret the surroundings, making the uphill roll of a ball seem like a genuine physical anomaly when it's actually rolling downhill relative to true level ground. The entire area is a masterclass in how our perception can be tricked. Next, we travel to the Nangat Reverse Waterfall in Maharashtra, India. During the peak of the monsoon season, this incredible natural wonder puts on a spectacular show. A powerful cascade of water appears to shoot upwards, defying the very essence of gravity. It's a breathtaking sight, as torrents of water spray into the sky from the cliff's edge, creating a misty cloud that drenches the surrounding landscape. It looks like a scene straight out of a fantasy movie, a river flowing in reverse towards the heavens. The secret behind this phenomenon isn't a break in physics but the sheer force of nature. The winds in the Nangat Mountain Pass during the monsoon are incredibly strong. As the water from the falls cascades over the edge, the powerful updraft catches it and blows it back upwards, creating the stunning illusion of a reverse waterfall. Now, let's head to the opposite side of the world, to a place known as Magnetic Hill in Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada. For decades, drivers have been flocking to this strange road to witness a baffling occurrence. If you park your car at the bottom of the hill and put it in neutral, it will appear to roll uphill, seemingly pulled by an unseen magnetic force. It's an eerie feeling, watching your vehicle accelerate in the wrong direction, all on its own. Despite its name, magnetism has nothing to do with it. This is another example of a gravity hill, a type of optical illusion created by the layout of the surrounding landscape. The horizon line is obscured or tilted, making a slight downhill slope appear to be an uphill incline. Your car is simply rolling downhill as it should, but your brain is convinced it's going up. Our journey continues to the Hoover Dam, straddling the border between Arizona and Nevada. This colossal feat of engineering is known for more than just its massive size and power generation. It's also a place where you can witness a subtle, yet fascinating, anti-gravity effect. If you stand at the top of the dam and pour water from a bottle over the edge, you might expect it to fall straight down. Instead, the water is often caught by an updraft and sprayed back up into the air, creating a fine mist that rises above the dam's wall. This phenomenon is caused by the dam's curved structure and the strong winds that are funneled up its face. The shape of the dam creates a powerful current of air that flows upward, strong enough to counteract gravity and carry light objects, like water droplets, with it. From a man-made marvel, we travel to a natural one in Armenia, Mount Aragats. This extinct volcano is the highest point in the country and is home to another mysterious gravity-defying road. Here, a river appears to flow uphill, and cars left in neutral at the base of a hill will seemingly coast up the slope without any power. Locals and tourists alike have been mystified by this spot for years, attributing it to supernatural forces or an unusual gravitational field. As with other gravity hills, the topography is the true culprit. The surrounding landscape creates a convincing optical illusion, tricking the eye into perceiving the slope incorrectly. The river and the cars are, in fact, moving downhill, but our senses tell us the complete opposite, making it a truly mind-bending experience. Our sixth destination is the Spook Hill in Lake Wales, Florida. This location is so famous for its gravitational anomaly that it's a registered historic place, complete with a sign that tells the legend of a great battle between a massive alligator and a Native American chieftain. The legend says their spirits now haunt the hill, causing cars to roll uphill. Visitors park their cars at a white line painted on the road, shift to neutral, and watch as their vehicle is seemingly pulled up the slope by an invisible hand. Of course, science offers a more down-to-earth explanation. Spook Hill is one of the most perfectly executed gravity hill illusions in the world. The slope of the road, combined with the way the surrounding trees and landscape are positioned, completely fools your sense of what is level, creating a powerful and convincing illusion of uphill motion. Next, we journey to South Ayrshire, Scotland, to a road known as Electric Brae. For over a century, this stretch of road has been famous for its apparent ability to pull cars uphill. The name Electric Brae comes from an old belief that the phenomenon was caused by some form of electric or magnetic force emanating from the ground. Travelers would stop their horse-drawn carriages and, later, their cars, to marvel as they were drawn up the incline. It became such a popular attraction that it was even mentioned in parliamentary debates. Detailed surveys have since been conducted, and they have confirmed that Electric Brae is, you guessed it, a gravity hill. The road's incline is an illusion created by the lie of the land. What appears to be an uphill slope of 1:86 is actually a downhill slope, though the visual cues are so strong that it's almost impossible to believe. Let's travel east to the mysterious island of Jeju in South Korea, home to a mysterious road, or Dakibi Road. Named after a mischievous creature from Korean folklore, this road presents the same baffling puzzle we've seen elsewhere. Objects like cans and bottles placed on the road appear to roll uphill, and cars in neutral drift in the direction that seems to defy gravity. Tour buses frequently stop here to let visitors experience the strange phenomenon for themselves. The road is flanked by higher ground on both sides, which creates a visual distortion. This layout makes the downhill slope look like an uphill one. It's a fun and quirky attraction that plays with your perception, providing a perfect photo opportunity and a memorable story to tell. Our penultimate stop is the Inverted Tower, or Initiation Well, in Sintra, Portugal. This incredible structure is part of the Quinta de Regaleira estate, a place filled with esoteric symbolism and hidden tunnels. The tower is essentially an underground well with a spiral staircase that descends deep into the earth. While not a natural phenomenon, the design of the tower creates a fascinating gravitational illusion. As you descend the 9-story staircase, which is said to represent the 9 circles of Dante's Inferno, your sense of direction and depth perception becomes skewed. Looking up from the bottom, the circle of light at the top seems impossibly far away, and the walls appear to close in. The architecture is intentionally disorienting, designed to be a symbolic journey of initiation. It's a place where the man-made environment cleverly manipulates your senses, creating an experience that feels otherworldly and gravity-defying. Finally, we arrive at our last destination, a bizarre house known as the Oregon Vortex, located in Gold Hill, Oregon. Similar to the mystery spot in California, this is an area where the laws of physics seem to have gone haywire. The main attraction is the House of Mystery, a shack built on the site that is severely tilted. Inside, people appear to change height, brooms stand on end, and balls roll uphill. The effects are pronounced and have been drawing curious visitors since the 1930s. The vortex is explained by its founders as a spherical force field, partly underground and partly above. However, scientists point to the same principles we've discussed: forced perspective and optical illusions. The tilted house and the lack of horizontal or vertical references confuse the brain, leading to these strange perceptual errors. It's not a break in gravity, but a break in our brain's ability to interpret a distorted environment. From reverse waterfalls powered by wind to roads that trick our eyes, these places show us that what we perceive isn't always reality. They are powerful reminders of how our brains work to make sense of the world, and how easily they can be fooled. Thank you for joining us on this incredible tour of Earth's strangest places. What did you think? Are there any other gravity-defying locations we missed? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the unexplained, be sure to subscribe to Infinitunnel for more adventures into the mysteries of our world. We'll see you in the next video.